The construction, health, safety and welfare regulations require that sites be maintained in good order. Poor housekeeping is a common but easily preventable cause of accidents. No smoking or vaping anywhere within the workshop area. Treat the workshop with care and respect, i.e., if you use it, put it back. Keep all work areas clean and tidy, even if you didn't make the mess. Keep the kitchen area clean. Keep the toilet, sanitary area clean. If there are no cleaning items, please ask in the office. Report any broken or missing items to management immediately. Keep a lookout for moving vehicles. Ensure that the lights are turned off at the end of the day. Remove all nails from dismantled, unused timber. Where not possible, then hammer flat. Clean up waste as it's created. Small waste can be bagged and larger waste stacked and then skipped as soon as is practical. Use racks when storing lengths of pipe or timber. Where pallets are used, then do not stack too high. Stack both stores and waste neatly. Ensure that walkways and escape routes are not obstructed. If working at height, then loose objects must not be left on walkways, platforms, etc., where they could fall and injure persons below. Beware of muddy sites. These will greatly increase risk of slips and falls. Keep footwear as clean as reasonably practical and ensure loose mud is removed prior to climbing ladders. Try and allocate a set period each day to general housekeeping. A good time would be at the end of the day, possibly. There should be a place for everything, and everything should be in its place. Do not rely on others to clean up. They won't. Put tools away when not in use. As well as reducing a trip hazard, it will keep them safe. If working with oils or lubricants, then have some means of cleaning up any spillages at hand. If you use a spill kit, ensure that a replacement is sourced.